Now we reach to the point to the last tab in the monitor column for the Meraki Insight, and that is the internet outages. This is a brand new, well, I'm filming this in 2023. This is a brand new tab that they added to the Meraki Insight, and it's because they recently acquired Cisco ThousandEyes. So that's why the integration that they have with ThousandEyes. You can only have that integration if you have the Meraki Insight in the first place, because it's going to be within that tab. Here, the important piece is world map, and you see all these numbers. These are the outages that ThousandEyes can see in the entire global Earth. So in that, what it means is that the internet insights from ThousandEyes have seen 24 outages in the last 24 hours in 23 different locations. And these are all the locations with all the outages. Why is that useful for you? Well, if you are in the global IT environment and then you have all these networks across the globe, here, if you see the network outage or there is one MX that is unreachable and you want to quickly see if it's the ISP problem, the first way to identify if there is an ISP or an ISP outage is coming here. And that's why it's the internet outages overview. So let's say that I'm in London and then my whole network is down and I cannot pinpoint if it's my problem or the service provider. So what I would go is I would come here, let me zoom in, and then I will try to get to London. Oh yeah, there are 4 different outages in the last 24 hours. If I click here, I can see there is LGI UPC and there are 8 affected IP addresses. So that's how you can identify quickly if it's your problem or not, or what kind of ISP is located. So that's why it says affecting one location. At the moment, it's a little bit limited, the information that you can get from here or the capabilities that it has, but it's because while I'm filming, this is the earliest stages of the integration of ThousandEyes with Meraki Insight. Probably now when you watch this video, you have more integration, and that's what is coming. If you need more information about it, you know how to find documentation on Meraki.com, and they have this link here at the end. We have more information about the Internet Insights solution based on ThousandEyes. They're planning to put more stuff, but at this moment, this is the only thing that we have. At the end, the next video is going to be the last one from Meraki Insight, is how to configure these alerts from all these different solutions that you have inside of this tab. See you in the next one.